Hey guys, hope you're having a great day today. My name is Daniel and I'm the High Mileage Helper. On this channel, my goal is to be able to help you learn more about the RV transporting industry, as well as give how-to videos for your truck and then give recommendations along the way. So if this is our first time meeting, just consider subscribing, hitting the like button if you get good value. And in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you my brand new custom made mattress for my back seat of my truck. And we'll go ahead and get right into it. All right guys, so this is the Tochta Custom Mattress that I had built for my back seat specifically. I'll go ahead and give you the dimensions later. But first off, I just want to share with you about this company. They make mattresses for RVs, for trucks, for bigger trucks. They do all sorts of custom dimensions for any type of bed situation you may have. It could be a custom bed for your home, for a bigger truck if you're a semi-truck driver. But simply for my application, I'm going to be having this in my back seat, and I simply just have a platform built all the way across, and this is going to fill up the entire back seat from the back of the cab all the way up to the back of the front seats. And so this is going to be my permanent solution for my bed issue, sleeping in my back seat when I am out on the road doing RV transport. I've used air mattresses, I've used lots and lots of pillows. I've tried to actually sleep on the actual bench seat, which is a terrible, terrible idea for me. I've done a number of different combinations. I can't tell you how many air mattresses myself or my dog has popped with his claws, and so this is my permanent solution to my bed need in my back seat. And I know many people already probably have a bed solution you already have, but I would just consider getting a real mattress or maybe getting a custom built mattress for your specific truck. I'll be showing you the exact fit and why I got these specific dimensions that I did. So real quickly, I did want to share with you the certain model that I got and share with you why I got this particular model. It is the Utopia mattress. They say that it was designed for those who want a true luxury mattress. It uses a dual phase change quick recovery memory foam, which is the premier comfort layer available on the market today. Quick recovery means it is not like other memory foams that sink in, bottom out, and make you feel like you're sleeping in a pit. Ours has muscle. And so this is why I chose the Utopia mattress, because I did want more strength to be able to help support my back. Something else that drew me to Tochta as well as this particular mattress is that it has temperature regulation. Simply it says, designed so that you will sleep in perfect comfort. It's true, and it's because we only use the best materials available. Our gel foam has thousands of gel beads to wick away your body heat from the surface, allowing you to sleep in your normal optimal sleep temperature. Be careful when shopping for a mattress. All gel foams are not created equal. So many mattresses use a diluted version of our premium product or merely tinting their foam blue to trick you into thinking it will keep you cool. That's a completely dishonest approach and simply does not work. We will have no part in that game. So this company is not cutting corners, even though they can cut corners for you, for your bed, and they'll do a good job for you. They are using quality products, and they'll be able to give you the precise measurements for what you need for your bed. I'm just super happy with this company that I went with, the Tochta company. These Tochta custom beds, they are made in the US. They have free shipping. They have a 100-night trial, which is huge to me, especially just getting used to the bed when I am out on the road. And then they also have a 10-year warranty with them if anything does happen. So I'm going to go ahead and open this box up. I'm assuming this is, vacuum sealed so that it doesn't actually expand to the full size. So I'm going to go ahead and get my back seat prepared, ready to go for it on the platform. I'm going to open up this box and then kind of show you what happens when you do get it all opened up and set in place. All right, so first off, they just have a little letter in here. It's just a thank you card for purchasing the bed, and then they just kind of give you instructions of how to set it up to make it the most convenient way. I'm assuming just setting it on the bed where it's supposed to be, and then cutting open the plastic wrap to then not have to be wiggling it and fighting it later. It's already in position, so when the air does hit the actual mattress, it's able to rise where it's supposed to be already. So little thank you card here. Let's see what else. All right, and just here it is. I'll go ahead and take this out. Man, it is no joke. All right, guys, so the dimensions that I got for this mattress, this custom mattress I got from Tochta, is 62 long, 38 wide, and 10 inches deep. So this mattress is going to fit just perfectly. I want to have just enough of a gap to be able to move this up and out if I did need to clean or do anything inside the back of the truck. This is something I would encourage you to do as well. If you're going to be getting any type of bed that's not an air mattress, you're going to need to make sure that you have enough room to be able to get it in and out without forcing it or killing yourself or potentially harming the actual mattress itself. So this is just something I would advise for you to do. Again, these dimensions only work for my truck because I have my back seat already taken out. This goes from the back wall of the cab all the way up to the back of my front seats and the center console area where my armrest would be. So this is going to fit just snugly in there with a little bit extra room so I can tuck in some sheets. I'll be able to get it in and out if I needed to, and it'll be a good fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay it out inside of the bed, and then I'll show you me cutting it open so that you can see it kind of rise with the air getting into it. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and unravel this and get it set in place. All right. Oh man, this is awesome. Boom. All right, so there it is. All right, guys, so I've got my wood foundation, the platform beneath. I've got a blanket underneath to be a barrier so that no wood would harm an air mattress, and now especially a real mattress to make any cuts or any issues here. I did order this as a 10-inch mattress so that it's almost a perfect match going from this armrest here, this cushioning area, to the actual mattress with a sheet and an actual blanket here. I'll be able to have this almost completely evened up with having this kind of flush. So that's what I wanted to do. I also have it set up to where there is still a little bit of room on the back side here, as well as just a little bit of room on the front side here while I'm driving if I need to. If I do have my front driver's seat kind of leaned back as I'm driving, this is able to just kind of go just a little bit more towards the back here, which frees up another inch or so on this side. So there's plenty of storage down and beneath here, in between the bed and here if I needed to, when this is completely scooted all the way back. If I did store anything down beneath there, I can grab it, as well as having the chair pushed back while I'm driving. So this is just a perfect fit, having it from one side all the way to the other. I'll go to that side right now. All right, guys, so I didn't touch anything when I came over to this side, but this lines up perfectly with being able to fit right inside here, and I'll be able to just kind of close the door here without any issues, nothing getting stabbed or pressed against. It's going to be a perfect fit here, and again, with this being completely moved back, I'll be able to have my front seat lean back in case if I need to have more room up in the front. So this is the Tochta custom mattress that I had built. It is a little bit more firmer. I do really like having a firmer bed, so this is going to be great for me. It is a memory foam, so tossing and turning at night hopefully doesn't have to affect me at all now, especially on the air mattress. Going to this, it's just simply going to be incredible having a real bed in my back seat. Who knows, I might sleep better in this than my real bed at home. We'll find out, but I believe this is seriously the way to go, getting a custom mattress built to your needs. They really can do it all, any dimension, any size. Again, I wanted a 10-inch thick bed to be able to kind of be leveled off here, as well as just having more and more support. So I will definitely be doing a review for you later on, just kind of sharing with you my experience with this mattress. I am going to be leaving today for a load, so tonight I will be able to be in this mattress for the first time. I'm excited about that. Hopefully it is a good bed for me and Mr. Ryder or Bella, who comes on the road with me now. And so if you're going to go ahead and buy a Tochta custom mattress, go ahead and check down in the description below where I'll have my referral link. You get $25, I get $25 when you buy a mattress. mattress. And so that can be a benefit to both of us. And on top of that, we'll both have a solid mattress for our back seat of our trucks that fit exactly. It's not just a one size fits all. It's going to be a quality mattress for when we are on the road in our back seats, sleeping, saving money instead of going and getting a hotel, and being able to get some good night's sleep when we are out on the road. So this Utopia custom built mattress is my answer for the permanent solution for my back seat, being able to have a bed that's going to be good for my back. It's not going to pop. My dog and I can fit on it, and it'll be comfortable for me. I know there's lots of options out there to be able to have a bed in your back seat, cutting large pieces of foam to be able to fit in your back seat, air mattresses, putting all sorts of different types of material down. That's not really a permanent fix. It's not going to last for a long time, and certainly doesn't have a 10-year warranty with those other options. So this is my solution for getting some good rest going forward in my back seat. I'll keep you guys updated as I go on, and definitely be making a full review video later on down the road. So with all that being said, hopefully you have a great day today. Stay safe, guys, and God bless.